There is no fixed time for Qigong practice. It depends on what Qigong form you are practicing and what you are expecting to achieve. There are hundreds of Qigong forms available today. Each has different requirements and routines. We can categorize them into two types: dynamic form and static form. The dynamic form usually includes a set of choreographed movements, and the static form normally holds a particular posture for a certain period of time. No matter how many movements and postures are involved in one form, you are required to perform them consciously and slowly. On average, a dynamic form routine lasts 5 to 15 minutes. A static form requires longer, around 20 to 30 minutes a session. That is a very rough assumption. You should consult your Qigong coach and follow routine requirements accordingly.